Right, first time I go to use my camera in ages and I drop it on the floor and smash the lens mechanism. So I've just had to open it with these. And luckily it still works, happy days. Right, so I've got this 1973 Honda C90. Round headlight, 6-volt model, nearly 50 years old. Took it out on its maiden voyage after putting a new engine in it, and the SPEEDO stopped working. So today I'm going to have a look at why that stopped working. Initially when it stopped working, it had unwound itself from the hub here. So I wound it back in and it started working again for a minute, but then it went off again. And it hasn't unwound itself down by the wheel, so maybe it's unwound itself in the back of the clocks, or maybe the cable's just snapped because it's 50 years old. Alright, so I'll probably just undo these first, see if I can get this top fair enough, and see if I can see underneath that clock to see if it's come out. Right, I got it off a little bit. Can't quite pull it up all the way at the minute, but I can see already. Don't know if you can see in there. Let me see if I can shine a light. See, there is the SPEEDO cable, and where are we? There is the back of the clocks where it should go into. So we definitely need to just put it on back on there, and hopefully we should be good to go. Right, so it is these little screws here that hold the headlight in that also clamp this together, and I've already had a proper nightmare trying to get them out, so I've left them as they are and just peeled it forward a little bit, and if you can see in there, I have actually managed to get the SPEEDO cable back in to the back of the clocks. So hopefully that will have sorted the issue and we can stick it all back together, maybe do a top speed run on the mighty 90. Alright, let's go. Hey! We're back in the game. Alright, I reckon I'll do a little top speed run on my next video, so stick around if you want to see that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.